Hello, everybody. Okay, so what are the basic rules that I would share with you from over a decade of experience in trading? Well, these are not in any particular order. I think I will give you three rules or three uh, recommendations, okay, so that you can make your trading profitable long term. You have to look at this long term. I mean, if you win a trade or two and then you start trading without any rules, you will lose what you made. That is the most certain thing I can tell you. You can't just play this like it's a casino, like it's just by chance. You have to study the market. So you have to first look at the directional bias. Where is the pair going? If you're doing Forex, if you're doing metals, if you're doing whatever, where is the pair going? Let's take, for example, gold, US dollar. This is one of my favorite pairs. So if you see that there's a directional bias where the price is coming down, then please look at least one indicator or a few indicators and make sure that you understand where the price is heading. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? This is really, really important because most of the time you won't be just making a position where you think that there's going to be a reversal and you're going to win. I mean, reversals are not as often, don't occur as often as continuations. That's just a fact. So look at the directional bias first. Now, secondly, when you make your position, make sure to do it on a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 ratio. You want to leave enough room, yes, for the price to move, okay, because it could go the opposite direction a little bit and then, a push phase and then continuation. But in general, you should make your position so that you make your profit is going to be 2 or 3 times what your potential loss would be. This is very important because if you do your analysis and you have your technicals down, then you're most likely going to win your trade. But if you're cutting your trade short, or if you're going on a 101, you're going to lose some of these trades too. So it's important that you make this 1 to 2 or 1 to 2 ratio one of your rules, and let the position grow. Don't kill it. Don't kill it before it reaches your goal. I mean, sometimes what I do is I stop looking at the position and I do other things. I let it run. Some of my best trades I've done because I fell asleep and I'm sleeping. And when I wake up, well, there you have it. I reached my goal. So you have to be patient. You can't expect this to be a matter of just seconds unless you're doing some scalping. But if you're doing the day trading, then you want to wait for your position to grow and reach the desired profit. Now, also, very important, and this is probably the biggest mistake I've made in my life as a trader, over a decade as a trader, is that your position has to be in accordance with your account size. Now, greed is in our nature. We want to go faster. We want to make money fast. We want to take shortcuts. But believe me, you don't want to do that. You don't want to take any shortcuts. You want to go the long haul. You want to wait for your money to grow in proportion to the size of your account. Don't take very large size lots positions because this will ruin your opportunities to grow over time. Trust me. You don't want to take those shortcuts. You want to go slowly. You want to look at this long term, okay? And be patient. Be patient. Risk management is probably the number one thing you should be thinking of when you're doing trading. Before you make a position, look at your account size. You can't make a large lot position if you only have a few $100s in your account. You're gonna swipe your account. You're gonna lose your money. So if you have $100,000 account, that's one thing. And you can make your position according to your account size. But if you only have a few $100s, you can't make those large positions. You have to make your positions according to your account size. If you do that, you won't lose as much money. We all lose trades, it's normal, but it's not the same to lose 1% of your account than to lose 50% of your account. You have to go slowly. You have to look at trading as a long term project. If you look at it as a short term project, most likely you're going to blow up your account in a matter of hours. And I've done it. This is why I'm sharing it with you. I have the experience of doing it. And it's normal. We want to make money fast. We want to recover quickly. And believe me, that is not the way to go. You have to make your positions according to the size of your account. Don't make those large one lot positions if you only have a couple $100 in your account. You're going to blow up your account. Maybe you'll get lucky once in a while, but that is not the way to go. This is not the correct approach to trading if you plan to become a successful trader over time. This is a long-term project. You have to go slowly. Don't worry. The market is always going to be there. These pairs are going to be going up and down for the rest of your life. There's no hurry. There's no hurry. Go slowly. If it didn't go well today, tomorrow it might go well. It might go better, but you have to manage your risk. So I spend most of the time of this video talking about risk management. This is probably the most important thing for long-term success in trading. Make your positions according to the size of your account. And study the market. Where's the price going? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? And always try to make your positions with previous analysis. You have to first analyze the market and then look at a few indicators too. The Ichimuchu cloud, I like that a lot. Look at that and study it, learn to use it, and then look at maybe, I don't know, the some lines, some average lines, the MACD or moving averages. Look at those too. I mean, there's a lot to be learned about trading. And use a demo account if you have no experience. Don't risk your money. Don't just throw your money away. Do your demo account first, your training first, test your strategies, and then do the real money account. Okay? So this is my advice for you. If you're a beginning trader, this is a long-term project, so you have to be patient, go slowly, and do your analysis. And over time, you can become a successful trader.